Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for taking the time to check it out. I'm not that new, but I'm kind of new. I've been away from YouTube due to changes in life. Just last year, unfortunately, I lost my grandpa, and that was and it still is a stinger. So I give my condolences to anyone who has lost a family member, friend, colleague, or even an enemy, because we shouldn't even wish any kind of ill feelings upon anyone. Life, I'm not going to say is too short, but what I'm going to say is that it's too valuable to take for granted. How about that? Well, I'm cleaning, as you can see, but I just wanted to give anyone who has neglected their household duties an opportunity to get in the mood. Come clean with me. Perhaps you can pause the video and get your stuff together and get in that kitchen or wherever you need to go, bathroom, whatever, and just do some cleaning. You know, we can tend to get into a funk, and when we do, we dismiss our daily routines like cleaning, cooking, and even conversing with our loved ones. You know how it is when we get into our own little funk. I don't know about you, but I can get down and out sometime and just simply too tired. So what happens is when we stay in that state too long, things will pile up like those dishes or the stove. And before long, it's too much to deal with and we just keep putting it off. And then if you're anything like me, that in itself, oh my God, that becomes depressing. So then I get the strength because now I'm depressed looking at that crap. And I muster up the strength like I'm doing now. And I get out my funk and get things done. So this is just me trying to encourage you to get up and do what you got to do, because sometimes we just need to lean on each other, okay? So this is me helping you to get up out of your funk, all right? So take it from me. It gets hard sometimes, but we can get up. We can definitely make it. So for now, thanks for watching and listening. If you have any advice on how to cope with a loss or how to deal with like stress, please leave it in the comments because I would love to hear from you and about your experience. Until then, peace.